art enthusiasts! Welcome back to Paintbrush Palette, where creativity takes center stage. I'm Nafisa, and today, we're embarking on a delightful artistic journey as we draw a beautiful girl's dress. So, grab your pens, paper, and coloring brushes. Let's dive into the world of elegance and design. Our creative process begins with the delicate art of outlining. I've chosen a simple pen and a pristine white sheet of paper. As we draw the outline of the girl's dress, pay close attention to the graceful curves and lines that will define the overall silhouette. Is set, it's time to infuse character and charm into our creation. Join me as we add intricate details, patterns, folds, and any unique elements that will make our dress truly captivating. This is where your personal touch can shine through. With the foundation in place, let's bring our dress to life with a burst of color. I've selected an array of coloring brush pens to create a vibrant and dynamic palette. Follow along as we explore blending techniques, shading, and the magic of transforming a monochrome outline into a kaleidoscope of hues. As our dress takes shape, it's time to refine and enhance. We'll delve into the fine-tuning process, paying attention to subtle details that elevate our artwork. Shadows play a crucial role in creating depth. Let's explore various shading techniques to make our dress stand out. Now that our dress is the star of the show, let's consider its backdrop. We'll discuss background options and how they complement the design. Plus, we'll add those final artistic touches that make our masterpiece complete. What a creative journey it has been! I hope you enjoyed the process of bringing our girl's dress to life. Remember, art is a reflection of our unique perspectives and expressions. Before we wrap up, take a moment to reflect on your own creative journey and the unique elements you incorporated into your artwork. Thank you for joining me today on Paintbrush Palette. I'm eager to see your interpretations of the girl's dress. Share your creations in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more artistic adventures. Until next time, keep those brushes busy and stay inspired. This is Nafisa, signing off from Paintbrush Palette.